Make sure that your child doesn't eat those. Orange. Oh, whoa. Wow, amazing. Hello and welcome back to the Parents English channel, where I show you how you as a parent can teach your kids English through simple, fun games and engaging activities. So today I'm going to show you an incredible experiment which your kids will definitely love to do, because some of the ingredients of this experiment can be actually eaten. So what do we need for the experiment? We need M&M's or Skittles, we need a plate, we've got this plate, water, here is water, and of course we need great mood. And as always, I share this handout absolutely for free, which gives you a detailed step-by-step guide what you need to do, and also you and your kids can practice the writing skills and reading skills by answering some of these questions that I have here. So don't forget to grab it in the description to this video. In our case, we've got two plates because we will be comparing Skittles with M&M's and see which will win. So here's our Skittles. Let's open it. Smells lovely. On the left plate, we'll put the Skittles. Oh, let's put them in a circle. Now it's M&M's turn. Let's open it, put it. So let's put them in a circle as well. Make sure that your child doesn't eat those. These are, you can put them back. Point number 5, pour water in the middle of the plate so that it covers the sweets. Okay, let's take our water. It's slightly warm because we'll see the effect so quickly. The first question, write your observation in 30 seconds. Then second question, write your observations, what you see, in 1 minute. Since I compare the two, I have a rainbow sweets experiment number 2 here, where we compare Skittles with M&M's and see which sweets, M&M's or Skittles, lose their colors faster. Let's see. Here's an empty glass. Let's put some water in it. 3, 2, 1, go. Make sure that the water covers all the plates. Oh, whoa, 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 look at this. Look at this. Oh, the Skittles started losing the colors. The M&M's also started losing the colors. 1 minute has passed and what do we see here? Wow, the colors started moving towards the center of the plate. They're amazing. 2 minutes have passed and what do we observe? We see that the colors have practically moved to the center of the plate, and I can't decide which goes faster. In my opinion, it's the Skittles which lose their colors faster, because the circle here is smaller in comparison to the circle, the white circle, which we see in the M&M's plate. Okay, done. The Skittles are the winners of today's experiment. How long did it take your Skittles or your M&M's to get to the center of the plate? Write it in the comments below. Once you finish the experiment, it's always good for kids to step back and reflect on what has happened. So it's good to ask your kids what happened, what they liked, how they feel about the experiment. I hope you liked this video, and if you and your kids wish to see more experiments like this, you can just click on the next video where I'll be showing you an exciting experiment, and of course we will learn new English words in the next video. Please don't forget to grab your free printable in the description to this video, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care, bye bye!